Have you ever wondered how Tesla's relentless pursuit of electric mobility is reshaping the automotive landscape? Are you curious to know how this trailblazing company is inspiring a wave of innovation and sustainability in the transportation sector? Get ready to uncover the answers as we delve into Tesla's extraordinary impact. Today we'll be exploring the groundbreaking impact of Tesla, the company that has revolutionized the way we think about transportation. We'll dive deep into how Tesla's visionary approach is shaping the future of the automotive industry. Tesla popularized a number of other features in addition to bringing electric cars closer to the public. Even though it feels like Tesla has been around forever, it only started selling the Roadster in 2008. Tesla is an instantly identifiable automaker. The firm has introduced several EV models in the years after the Roadster's debut, fully revolutionizing the field of electric vehicles. Let's examine Tesla's most groundbreaking contributions to the car sector. Rapid mass EV adoption. Before Tesla, EVs were already available. Although electric vehicles have existed since the late 1800s, Tesla has unquestionably had a significant impact in hastening their widespread acceptance. Electric cars were viewed as slow, difficult to operate, and lacking in range before Tesla. The finest illustration of this is General Motors' EV1, which was technologically advanced but severely constrained in its execution, largely because of the state of battery technology at the time. Tesla's first electric vehicle, EV, was a low-volume sports car that instantly started dispelling people's misconceptions about EVs. The absence of a widespread infrastructure for charging EVs was a significant argument against them. Tesla contributed to the viability of EVs as daily drivers by providing automobiles backed up by a strong charging infrastructure that had been expanded to cover the majority of the developed world. Made electric cars cool. Many people equated electric vehicles with the Toyota Prius hybrid before Tesla. The Prius was a groundbreaking car when the first-generation model debuted in 1997, but it couldn't compete with the performance of Tesla's electric vehicles. The 2023 Toyota Prius, however, is faster and sportier than earlier models. The Tesla Roadster 2.0 is one of the coolest automobiles the automotive industry has ever seen, forever debunking the idea that EVs can't be fast cars. When the Tesla Model X was introduced, it had the most luxurious SUV doors ever made. The Model X's Falcon doors opened upward to show the SUV's contemporary interior, which was a sight to behold. From the start, it was clear that Teslas were designed to be more than mere transportation appliances. Created the performance EV. The myth that electric vehicles are slow has been disproved by Tesla, with a 0 to 60 mph pace of 1.99 seconds. The Model S Plaid is one of the fastest accelerating cars in automotive history. Performance EVs abound in the Tesla portfolio, and even the bulky Model X Plaid can go from 0 to 60 mph in 2.5 seconds. Particularly hybrids from Toyota and Honda weren't known for their impressive acceleration figures in electric vehicles. The Model S Plaid even held the record for being one of the fastest EVs to complete the Nürburgring. However, Tesla has always been about performance. With its excellent performance, the Model 3 in particular has captured the hearts of auto aficionados everywhere. Advanced self-driving technology. Although Tesla isn't the only car maker developing self-driving technology, its full self-driving, FSD, and autopilot features are arguably the most well-known on the market. Many people think Tesla cars are capable of running entirely on their own, especially if you've seen videos of the most recent iteration of FSD. Teslas still require driver involvement even when FSD is enabled. Thus, this isn't the situation yet. Tesla automobiles also have a cool technology called Summon, which lets you steer your car out of tight spots without being inside the vehicle by using a mobile app. Even though you can't sit in the back seat of your Tesla while it drives you to your favorite coffee shop on FSD, the technology is getting better every day. Built a global supercharger network. An inadequate and unstable infrastructure is one of the main criticisms of electric cars. Tesla took it upon itself to ensure that the cars it offered could make long-distance journeys. As a result, a sizable charging network with 250 kilowatt charging rates has been created. According to Tesla, there are more than 40,000 supercharger outlets worldwide. In light of the Supercharger network's ability to make electric vehicles usable in daily life, this may be Tesla's greatest contribution to the advancement of the adoption of electric vehicles. constantly monitors consumer feedback. Tesla stands out from other vehicles in that customers may speak with the company executives directly. It's Elon Musk's Twitter account in this instance. Dog mode, one of Tesla's coolest climate control features, is the finest illustration of this. Elon Musk was first asked to create dog mode by a Twitter user, to which Musk quickly replied, yes. Tesla stands out thanks to interactions like this with its consumers. Favors a direct-to-customer sales model. For what feels like ever, car dealerships have been a mainstay of automobile sales. However, Tesla chose to go a different path, and in doing so, it completely changed how consumers think about purchasing automobiles by rejecting the conventional car dealer model. The fact that Tesla can circumvent dealership practices like dealer markups, which wind up costing the consumer more money by selling its cars directly, is not a bad thing. It's simple to purchase a Tesla by just going online, configuring your car, and placing your order. As long as the address you choose satisfies certain requirements for delivery. Tesla also offers delivery options, so you can have your vehicle delivered there. Sources batteries from its own gigafactories. Given that it sells electric vehicles in large quantities, it makes sense that Tesla has a huge need for battery cells. It initially addressed this requirement with its groundbreaking Gigafactory Nevada facility, which, in collaboration with Panasonic, manufactures everything from electric motors to batteries. In order to meet demand, the company plans to greatly expand the production, which has an annual watt-hour capacity output in the billions. When it comes to making EVs viable options for daily drivers, Tesla has mostly done the grunt work. The company has produced vehicles with excellent performance that can be driven without experiencing range anxiety and established a charging infrastructure from the bottom up. Even now, it continues to innovate, with groundbreaking vehicles like the Tesla Semi increasing the brand's reach into other segments. It will surely be at the forefront of the upcoming developments in EV technology. From electric vehicles that redefine performance to an expansive charging network that challenges the status quo, Tesla has left an indelible mark. We hope this video has inspired you to envision a world where sustainability and cutting-edge technology go hand in hand. Let us know in the comments below how you believe Tesla is shaping the future of transportation. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join us on future explorations of innovative industries and game-changing companies. Thanks for joining us today.